Hi, I'm Paul Skelton. I'm FireBoard's Director of Product Design and Development, and I help take ideas from 3D printed CAD models to finished product in the market. So before I start a design on a new product, we try to nail down all of the internal components so I know what plastics are going to fit around what's going on the inside. So does it have a display? Does it have buttons? Does it have batteries? How many batteries? Are there USB ports? Are there audio jacks for probes? All of these things have to be determined before I can even start doing anything in SolidWorks. We have to know if it's going to live inside or outside. Is it waterproof? If so, does it have to be submerged? Those things are all going to affect the way that I design the parts. The design process is an iterative cycle. I probably print hundreds of different versions of the same part just to get the internal structure nailed down. Sometimes you can move something by a fraction of a millimeter and all of a sudden nothing fits. Having the ability to do 3D printing in-house with our SLA resin printers allows me to work through all of these microscopic adjustments without having to wait on outsourcing SLAs from another supplier. I can do it right down the hallway and I'll have the answer in 20 or 30 minutes on something that I changed in the CAD. So we're pretty lucky to have some really great suppliers that we already trust. And in the event of a supply chain breakdown where we need to find a new supplier for our plastics, we look for somebody that we can trust. And so having that trust right off the bat helps us work through product design details more quickly, more confidently, so we can get from a concept to a finished part faster. The other thing that some of our suppliers offer is engineering support. And for me, that's really important because I do design work and the mechanical engineering work by myself. So having that added layer of engineering support helps me make smarter decisions with our product design, but also something that's easily moldable, which ends up helping with our production quality and reliability down the line.